Don't make your parfait until you watch this video to the end. Thinking of how to make healthy homemade parfait, and then this video is for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bose. Welcome to my channel. I'm a food blogger and a food influencer in Lagos, Nigeria. And on today's episode, we'll be making parfait. These are the ingredients we'll be using to make our parfait. That's our Greek yogurt, our grape, chocolate, grated coconuts, our dried fruits and raisins, homemade granolas, then our diced apple, and these are all the ingredients we need to make our homemade parfait. So bring out your cup, let's get right into it. First, you want to add your yogurt, that's the base. After that, I'm just going to add apples to it. After that, our grape. Mind you, the grape is sliced. Then our grated coconut, I'm just going to add it to it. Then I'm just going to add the dried fruits and raisins too to it. Then we're just going to top this up with the yogurt again. So I'm just going to repeat the same step like we did earlier. Which means we're just going to add our grated apples, then our grape, our dried fruit and raisins, and the rest. And one of the reasons why I love homemade parfait is because the most important thing is that there is no preservative. A lot of vendors used to add preservative to their parfaits in order to preserve it so it can last longer, and that way it is not healthy. So I'll always prefer you make your parfait yourself. That way it is healthy, you can control everything inside. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make the Greek yogurt, I made it. The video is up on my YouTube channel. How to make your granola, the video is up on my YouTube channel. Be it you have an oven or you don't have an oven, you can also use a frying pan to make your granola. In case you don't know how to, the video is also up on my YouTube channel. So after adding my yogurt again, so I'm just going to add my granola. I prefer to add the granola just on top of it because this way it is better and it retains its crunchiness. I know a lot of people might not know that, but it does. So we're just going to add the granola like 2 spoons each to it. I'm not going to add to the last one because the last one is for my daughter. She doesn't like granola because she just doesn't like it. It's difficult to chew. So for our toppings, I'm using the grated the grated coconuts. We're just going to add it to each side. Then we're also going to add our apples, also add our our sliced grape to it. And at this stage, I really love it because it is very colorful. That's one thing I love about making parfait. It is very colorful. So just because I just want it to be extra, that's why I'm adding chocolate to this. But feel free to add or not, it's your choice. And you can also try different fruits if you want. You can also try different fruits. I don't like bananas to my parfait because it gives that slimy taste which I'm not really comfortable with, except I want to chew them immediately. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try this homemade parfait? Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make easy and affordable recipes. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos. So all we have to do is just cover this and put it in our fridge and allow it to get cold. Then you serve. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.